Hey, who recognized her street? Bravo, bravo. Right. She also recognized her street and went ballistic. And this one scratched me twice and scratched me really badly. I bled. Okay. Okay. Bravo. Haydi, are you ready? Don't be scared. Oh, she's scared. Don't be scared, my love. I brought you back, okay? It's your street. Psst, 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 psst. Look this way. Look this way. Haydi. Haydi. No, she's scared. Haydi. Psst, psst. Haydi kuklamo. You liked it with me so much you don't wanna go? Let me move out of your way. Please go. I cannot keep you. Okay. Have to open the transporter, it seems, to make her leave. I rarely have to do that. They usually run out like crazy. Okay, it worked.
Κοίτα, τώρα θα πεθάνουν όλα από τα κοτόπουλα. Ακόμα δεν έχω πεθάνει.